Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to fix one or more users on this computer have installed iTunes. Enjoyed our videos? Consider dropping a like or a sub. It only takes a second of your time and it helps the channel a lot. With that said, let's dive into the video. Alright, so say you've downloaded iTunes, a version of it on the Microsoft Store, and you try to install it. Try to install it and this pops up saying that it's already installed on the computer by somebody else. Go back to the Microsoft Store, and you'll see that it's already installed based on the open option that says here. Fix this, simply uninstall the existing iTunes on your computer to install the version that you want. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.